So we're starting off by removing all of the feathers and tape that were originally on the wire portion of the wings.
Anger has a place in all of this.
So in this part, my wings are completely stripped of everything that was on top of it. You can see that my wire framework is attached to a piece of wood, and then that is bolted onto a backpack. I did construct that if you guys want to see that in a later video. But here I'm going and I'm reshaping the entire framework. I'm making a completely different structure because I didn't really like the way that the wings projected out of my back and just the form they were in. So I did add some extra newsprint and towel paper to the marginal covert of the wing. This is just to fortify it and to give it a little bit extra structure. I basically just embalmed the entire wire portion of the wings with Scotch tape to prep it for paper mache. This is the back portion of the wings that I already did. I used a solution of Elmer's glue and water. I kind of just used the same technique all the way around, adding 2 layers of paper mache. This is a side-by-side shot. I am cutting off the quill points of the feathers, and I am using a couple reference photos to see exactly how to layer and place the feathers down on the wings in a realistic way. As I gradually worked my way up the wings, I used a layering technique where I placed a feather down and then about an inch above it I placed another feather. This gave it a very smooth transition from the primaries to the wrist. I used the same technique. I cut the quills and I put the primaries first, and then I just began layering like I did on the back portion of the wings. When I reached the wrists of the wings, I cut down some of the feathers to make a cowlick at the top, like a little swirl of feathers, just to top it off and to make it look all nice and neat. I made sure that I covered the base of the wings with feathers so that there wasn't any of the paper mache still showing. Here are some shots of me wearing the wings to show the final product.